Join us as we visit Disneyland Paris with 4 kids in real winter snow, the first video in a series showing what it's really like to visit in January. Good morning! Today we're heading to Disneyland Paris for 4 nights and almost 5 full days. It's 4 a.m. so I'm hoping the kids still stay asleep when I move them to the car because they would not go to sleep for me last night. They were so excited. Our flight's at 7:20 a.m. this morning from Dublin, so we better get going. It's gonna be a busy travel morning, so I'll see you at Disney. Nerd hats.
No.
Are you all ready? Where are we going?
Disneyland Paris. Yay! I'm excited to going down.
Oh, are you ready? Quick tip, if you're driving, my husband always drops us at departures so we can check the bags while he goes to long-term parking. It makes the airport so much less stressful with kids. Oliver, is it cold?
Yeah.
Ooh. How do you pop your ears?
No, no.
Hold your nose and go. Sortie. Okay, let's go. Flying into DUB-BVA is so chill. It's super small and efficient. From plane to rent car, it took about 25 minutes max. The bus depot for if you're getting a bus in. Look how close that is. Where's Terminal 1?
Over there.
Is there. And the buses are here to go into Paris, but then you walk all the way around and it brings you to the rent-a-car company. Easy. Are we in? In France, in cars, if you're coming over to visit, you actually have to have high-vis vests. You need to bring them. The rent-a-cars obviously have them. You have to bring traffic cones and a breathalyzer test as well. So those all are things that if you are bringing your car on a ferry, you have to look up the directions, but you definitely need to bring loads of things with you. First toll was $5.10 from the airport. Let's calculate this and see how much it costs. The drive to Disneyland Paris was just an hour and a half, direct and really straightforward.
Disney toward Volume Roman, yeah.
Wow, guys.
Arrive at your destination.
What do you think?
I love that song.
Yeah. Park is sold out. You go. I'm sure they lead you up to the closest, right? It's the electric vehicles and you go straight down to the end. It's madness. Pretty cold, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a lot colder than we thought. We're getting dressed in our car because we had to come here first. So is everybody ready?
Yeah.
Yeah! Callie won't wear shoes because she thinks it's Disney World.
Yeah.
This is how cold it is. What we weren't prepared for, though, was just how cold it really is. It wasn't just cold, it was indescribable. We have arrived, and it says that it's full capacity, but there's not that many people here. It's very quiet. Let's go see what it's like. Walking into the park for the first time was stunning. The fountains, the pathways, it was the most beautiful entrance. Wow, it's beautiful. We had only 3 days left of Christmas decorations before they were meant to come down. Little did we know the snowstorm would keep the Christmas magic alive for our entire trip. What do you think, Hats?
I love it.
It's so good. Castle reveal. Full capacity at Disneyland Paris. It's not that busy. This is the line for Bella Nota. It's gonna go fast, I promise, guys.
Our first stop was Bellinota for a late lunch. The pizzas were generally great and the wait time isn't as long as it looks.
10 out of 10, baby. This stitch is 30 euros. I actually feel like that's kind of expensive. I don't know. Euros for him. No, it's definitely way more expensive.
I'm gonna get this.
He's lovely. He's like Sorcerer Mickey, but he's Sorcerer Stitch. Love it, Has.
My plan to get a 7 a.m. flight in order to get a full day backfired. The kids powered through just long enough to see the parade, and then they were done. We left the park and checked into our hotel around 4:30. Everything came straight to my phone, including our digital key, which made it incredibly easy.
It says 8:03, baby, and we're really close to the center. This is amazing, isn't it?
I remember this table.
We're out cold. That's what happens when you go to Disney at 4 in the morning. But we are here.
We stayed at Davy Crockett Ranch, which feels more like a woodland retreat than a hotel. There's a restaurant, bar, large shop, playground, and a big pool complex. And for families with young kids, the pool is the best on property. What we weren't told when booking, though, was the pool was closing for renovations for several months. We were honestly really disappointed. We only got to enjoy it for a few hours before it shut. That said, we did get to try the other pools in the other Disney resorts, and Davy Crockett still wins hands down. The lazy river is shallow enough for kids to stand if they need to, which makes a huge difference. The other pools were beautiful, but much deeper. No shallow zones like this. If you have kids that can swim, but you're not quite comfortable having them in the deep end, Davy Crockett is perfect.
Reviews show that there is a tiny baby paddling pool. There's not much to it, but it's still just a little tiny pool off the big pool.
All the pools do provide armbands and flotation devices, which is a big plus when packing.
Good? How good? Amazing good. Amazing good.
So much fun.
Hi.
Hi.
What's going on? Are we enjoying our nice lovely room?
Yeah.
Are you cozy?
Yeah.
I'm cozy too. Are you watching a show?
Yes.
I'm just relaxing. Where are we?
In our hotel.
In Anna's hotel. We are in Anna's hotel. Anna's hotel is a good
I can
hotel.
jump on my back.
Yay! Let's go see what these crazy kids are doing. Hold on. Hi guys! Disco party in Disney! Woo! Are we gonna get dressed? We can go see Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
And go see Pirates of the Caribbean? And go see the snow? A kind of semi-house tour, because they'll give you a real tour later. But when you walk in, your coat hangers are here. Disney, kind of like it, but I wish this was recessed a bit because they're kind of in the way. This is a very messy, but look, they give you a little cute kids table. We have all our shoes over here, which is kind of handy. And I think, oh, look how pretty it is outside. It's snowing. Good morning. Come on over and talk to me. So where are we going today? Who are we going to go see?
Mickey Mouse and Minnie.
Yes, now we get dressed. We have to put all our clothes on because it's absolutely freezing. It's supposed to
Do we need hats?
snow.
Do we need a hat?
We need a hat.
Oh, I know a hat.
We need like 10 hats. All right, guys, I don't have any shoes on. Sugar booger. It is really cold. No shoes. Oh, wow. It is going to be cold today. Look at this place. You do feel like you're in a forest, though. We're in 803, one of the new cabins. Wow, it is really cold. Let's go back in. Or snuggie. Wipe your feet. Here. Do you see the bear?
I don't see
I see the bear somewhere. Bear? Whatever you have to do to get on layers.
Are you ready?
Yes.
I'm so ready.
Okay. Are you so ready, Hats?
Yeah.
Snowy day in France. Oh my goodness, isn't it?
Getting to the park from Davy Crockett is easy, about a 7-minute drive, and parking is included when you stay on property.
Inside the car, you're on the left side of the car. Hold on. Sorry, we have to show this because this is cool, and then in case anyone's worrying. And then if you're driving on the other side of the car, how cool for travelers. Are you ready? Let me see your top. I want to see your top. Water has his stitch. Are you ready? Levi, are you warm enough? Hadley, are you ready?
Yeah.
Callie, are you ready?
Yeah.
Snowing in Disney. Good job, Hats.
From the car park, it's around a 15-minute walk to the main entrance, faster if you don't have kids stopping every 3 steps.
How do you keep warm when it's freezing in Disneyland Paris? You run. Run, 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 run. Do, 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 do. All right, we're heading in. We had a late start. Yesterday, we ended up just leaving the park after 3 hours. Today, we're gonna go in. It's 2:30. We're gonna see if we can last until the fireworks tonight, but it's 0 degrees and it's gonna snow. So our plan is to do it old school, and we're just gonna wing it. We're not doing any priority passes. We're gonna go left to right like in the old days and see how it goes. This is the walkway from the parking lot, and it's all under construction. Come on. And all up around here. Yesterday we saw a panhandler here. It wasn't a nice first impression, to be honest. This is currently, and then they're doing a lot of construction. We're gonna do Disneyland Park for today and tomorrow. If it gets that cold today, because it's 2:30 now and it's supposed to snow by 5 o'clock, we're gonna leave around 5 and we're gonna go swimming to get warm, and then we're gonna come back for the fireworks. So we need to see the fireworks, right? And then tomorrow we might do a morning, but we'll see. But that's why we like to come for a few days, so we have the options to take a break if it's really cold. And then we'll go to that park over there for the last 2 days, maybe like a day and a half. It's not like Disney World, just to note. There are metal detectors you have to go through, but they don't make you unload the entire stroller like we do in Disney World, because in Disney World we bring an extra bag and we fill up everything in the bag beforehand. We don't have to do that here, which, you know, it's kind of nice actually. But we just put our backpacks on, that's it, and they push the stroller through the thing. So a little bit different than Disney World. Difference a day can make. And no sun, but less crowds. Kind of nice. Hi, Hats. Are you cold?
No.
Good job.
We grabbed food from the deli. Sandwiches were big, tasty, and good value. It was just before parade time though, which we hadn't realized, so it was extremely busy.
It is really snowing. don't have a cover. What were we thinking? No cover. They've gone into Big Thunder 35 minutes. Coco. I'm trying to decide what's worse, extreme heat in Orlando or extreme snow in Paris. Both nice, but I don't know, it's pretty cold. Okay, we finally, after 2 days, we've been here. We went yesterday for 3 hours. Today we left the cabins at around 1:30. By the time we got in here, 3 o'clock. This is real life with 4 kids. Kids just went on their first ride. So don't expect to do every ride when it's snowing with 4 kids. It's crazy snow, we're just getting used to it. It's about a 30-minute wait to Big Thunder. Me and Callie are going shopping. Do you like those marshmallow treats? Maybe. Well, I don't mind it. Would you like to get that, or do you want to go look and see what else they have to pick? Is that nice? Is that the one you want? You got it? Oh, not me. Look how cute, but it's like a little mini one. They're big and they're mini. Is it snowy? It's very snowy in Disney, isn't it? Very snowy. Very snowy, guys. Me and Callie are taking a break and we're just enjoying the view, aren't we? And we've gotten a treat. Let's try a treat, our first treat of the day. Cat, are you happy? I think you're happy. Callie's happy. And this is the view. Hold on. Let me show everybody. Oh my goodness. It is snowing like a crazy. Really snowing. Unless you think you don't need your poncho, bring your poncho. 17 euros to cover her.
Something to note, make sure not to leave your stroller's rain cover. A thin poncho just to cover Callie costs 17 euros. I buy a 4-pack on Amazon for that same price and I accidentally left them in the hotel.
Is it better than the Disney World one?
We got our pictures taken when we were on it. And Daddy said it got sent to your phone. Can I see them?
It didn't get sent to my phone. We don't have Disney Pass. We have to go look on the thing. Was it better than the Disney World Thunder Mountain?
Yeah, it's better than that and Slinky Dog Dash.
Was it really, really good?
Yeah.
You tell me, how was Big Thunder here in Paris?
It was so much fun.
Was it better than the Disney World one? Note to self, you may think that you can wing it, but you cannot wing it. You gotta know where you're going. Around to the left, I think, hon, over the bridge. We're heading to the Pirates of the Caribbean. Kiddies are already freezing because they want to play in it and they get wet in 5 minutes, but it is really beautiful. Let's go crank out some rides because really, there's not going to be any lines. I have the whole bag sitting there with all the ponchos and everything, and I wasn't thinking. Info of the day. Kids will always be kids and Disney will always be Disney. Even if you're going for 3 days, you still need to bring your ponchos. You need to bring everything because you're going to need it no matter what. So I was silly. I didn't think we needed ponchos. I didn't even think we needed rain covers. So this mommy, who's usually ridiculously prepared, is not prepared. So I hope it goes well, but we're going to try to get on our second ride and it's only 5 o'clock. I think Pirates is over here somewhere. Oh, guys, the pirate ship. Oh, there is a pirate ship here, but it's closed now. Wow. I think it's like a whole pirate's playground. Well, there's a good 4 inches of snow, so I don't think anybody wants to go in there right now. Wow. Look at that boat. That is amazing. Where is that boat going? All right, we're heading into the Pirates of the Caribbean. Get a little warmth in here. Whew. We've never done the Pirates, but they said that the Big Thunder was better than Walt Disney World. They said it was really good, so. I would say the stroller has to be left out here. Bonjour. Okay, big step, hands. Go all the way over. Sit all the way over. Hold on. Ow. Hands, what do you think?
I love it.
I love Pirates. It's my favorite. Okay, first off, see that restaurant there? Mommy made a reservation for Wednesday night. Should we go? It looks pretty cool. What do you think? I think we should go just because it looks cool. Wow. I have heard supposedly better than Disney World as well.
Nous, c'est magnifique, bijou. Yo ho, a park's not for me.
One thing we missed compared to Disney World was the smells. Disney is usually a full 5-sense experience, and Paris just doesn't deliver. But what Paris does do beautifully is atmosphere. The attention to detail is incredible. Adventureland feels completely out of this world, and in the snow, it felt even more magical. Might sound romantic, but the fireworks are canceled and a lot of the rides are closed, but we're still having a great time. Let's go on the teacups. You coming for me?
Good. Another ride.
Levi, I was just gonna say the same thing. I felt like it was ridiculously short. Was it?
Yeah.
And the castle, there are no words. Snow falling, blue lights reflecting the quiet. It felt like stepping into another world entirely. Inside the castle is just as special, with the upstairs walkthrough and the dragon sleeping underneath, something you don't get anywhere else.
Wow, look at that view from Princess Castle, guys. So 50% off. If you want to get one. 50% off. That's really good for Disney. And that's a wrap. We lasted 4.5 hours. It's 7:30. We got on 3 rides. Fireworks are canceled, so we're gonna go swimming. But that's what happens when it snows in Disneyland Paris. Water, what was your favorite part of the day?
When it snowed, but now there's snow down my back.
Walter, what was your favorite ride of the day?
I like Thunder Mountain.
Was Thunder Mountain good?
And now his leg is covered.
You're determined. Okay, everybody, if anybody's ever watching this YouTube, this is the Esso on the way out of the park. I don't even think you're out of the park yet. Don't go in there if you think that you're gonna get cheap milk and cheap things for Davy Crockett, because you're not. David Crockett's actually cheaper, which is a shocker, because Disney stores are never cheaper, but it is. That store's a ripoff. This is beautiful. I'm actually shocked they don't have this.
Salt the road.
Nope.
They didn't touch it.
That's actually shocking. Holy, that's actually insane.
The Newport Bay Hotel has a stunning nautical theme and a beautiful pool. We headed for a late swim and then to Captain Quarters for a post-pool treat.
That's so Mel Gibson. Let's go for a drink. On a machine.
My fingers together. Sugar, 1 million out of 10. The hot chocolate.
What's the muffin like?
The hot chocolate.
Is it good? Did you have a good day?
Yeah.
Really? Even with all the snow?
Yes.
Okay, so we only got on 3 rides, which is ridiculous, but
Well, the only bad bit is that our hands were cold.
your hands were cold.
Mine were very cold.
Yeah.
Well, at least I had gloves.
Well, of course.
Mine were freezing. Because if I didn't have gloves, I feel like my hand would.
Yeah. Do you know what I learned? Do you know what I learned about today? I learned that Mommy is a planner, and sorry, but I actually do think you have to plan Disney nowadays. You can't just wing it, especially if you don't know where you're going. Because I thought we could just go left to right, but I didn't have a clue. It's not the same as Disney World. It's not really the same layout at all. So I didn't feel prepared at all. But I'll do my homework tonight, and then we'll know where we're going tomorrow, and we'll see some more shows. How that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like the pool today?
Yes.
Yes.
My favorite part was the pool.
You love the pool. You guys are so easily pleased. I think all kids. Kids are so easily pleased. I think you guys don't even need Disney World. I think you'd be happy in a pool with snow. Seriously? I could have saved thousands upon thousands of euros if you told me that years ago.
Pool with water, not snow. I'll do that forever. Snow. I'll go.
And this is just the beginning. Join us in the next video as we head into Studios Park, experience even more snow, -8-degree temperatures, and the nighttime fireworks.